What's going on, everybody? It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Today is Monday. It is May 12th. Hope you're doing awesome. And in this video, we're going to take a look at Coinbase stock. Huge news. They're going to be joining the SP 500 in just a few short years. And people still don't think there's anything to this crypto stuff. There's just no value. It's pretty hard to fathom that a company, Coinbase, crypto exchange, you can go on there and buy and sell crypto. Tons of other things that you can do now as well, and they're only going to get bigger. And like I said, just in a few short years of going public, they're set to potentially, they're joining the S&P 500. We were looking at that as a potential for a while, and the wait is finally over. We also had a daily bull flag on coin stock, and we'll take a look at the chart, what to expect in terms of the price action in the days, weeks, months ahead. We also had a Pow Algo buy alert go off on Coinbase stock. Before we get to it, make sure to smash the like, help support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, you'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. And as always, not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. You can follow us over on X as well, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. Watcher Guru posted about it. We had Bloomberg. And here you go, Morningstar. So the wait is over. Coinbase is finally joining the S&P 500 index. This is pretty insane to think about. Like I said, just in a few short years of since going public, there's going to be so many IPOs. I think that Ripple's going to be the biggest IPO in history potentially. And I do think that Ripple's going to be the most valuable company. But Coinbase is going to be up there. Some of these crypto companies, stock surged about 7%, but it was up 9% here. Currently after hours, and show me the chart, I'll tell you the news. There was a daily bull flag target as well. So we have our low, high, higher low, and it held to 0.32 fib, and then you just take your measured move out to the 0.32 fib, and you got a target of $243. This is looking good. We also had a stochastic and a MACD bull cross here on the weekly time frame, back above the 10-week moving average, and again we got 3 candle closes above it. That's what you want to see, 2, preferably 3, and it looks like we're off to the races. So we had a huge head start and clue there on the weekly time frame. We do have the 50 weekly there at 227, which we are right on here pretty much after hours. So if we can get above that, like I said, there's some runway to about 243, which is the target on the daily bull flag, and then nothing really until 267 on the price action after that. And we could very well see a golden cross here with the 50-day below the 200-day moving average could cross over the next week or two. And this is again in line with my thinking that crypto is not done. We're going to continue to see big tech, crypto, AI steal the show. And this is more on that front and kind of playing into that thesis. As you can see, we had a lot of green today in terms of crypto. We're more than likely going to see that continue. We have a bull flag target on the S&P 500 as well. So if we take a look at the S&P 500, it was a daily bull flag. As you can see, there's a lot going on here on this chart, but there was 2 bull flags back to back. We had a target of 586 and 587. Those are very, very close to confirming here. We're 583 after hours. So once again, show me the chart, I'll tell you the news. And then we even had an hourly bull flag that we were looking at into the end of the day. If we just reset this chart here, you can see here we have our low, high, higher low, and higher high. We're confirming it here after hours, and the measured move on that hourly bull flag is 592. And if we zoom out, look at the all-time high, 592 compared to the all-time high, and just currently where we are here after hours, we're less than 5% away, folks, from all-time highs. So things are about to heat up in a big, big way, in my opinion. But overall, this is great to see. This is great for the crypto space. This is great for risk on assets in the broader market, the S&P 500. We're starting to see this lift up the SPY in the broader market as well. And like I said, it's good for both crypto and stocks. It's going to continue to bring in that risk on appetite. But again, anybody who tells you that there's no business to be made, there's no money in crypto, I question their sanity. All right, going into it there, it's Rod with Pow Group. Hope you're having a great day, and a little distracted here. My daughter seems to be throwing a tantrum in the background. my partner's dealing to her, so hopefully she was able to. Sounds like everything's all good now. But that's pretty much all I wanted to share in this video. Once again, Rod with Pow Group, thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth. Let me know what you think of this news. We'll continue the conversation in the comment section below. Have a great night, and we'll see you on the next video.